Tripura Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu took the initiatives and organized a voluntary blood donation camp at MBB University on Thursday. Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu inaugurated the camp by cutting a red ribbon.
This long-lost book was republished by MBB University, the Green College.
On this day's blood donation camp, many students from MBB University donated their blood willingly. Later speaking in the program, Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu highlighted some of the important points.
What you are learning to your life. This application of any subject, whether it is science, mathematics, social, history, whatever it is there. It is ultimately when we take it to ground level people, then only we get the real results. That is even for languages also applied languages. तो आम पब्लिक के लिए क्या हो सकता है उसके लिए सोचना है. Education can be experienced via formal process like attending school or reading carefully chosen books. But it is also gained from practical life experience. Most of the times we know number of things while we are a child or in villages or in the field where our parents used to do. But we don't know real science background. Sometimes without science, without textbooks, without reading, our old parents and grandparents, they have done much more research, but it is not there on paper. So how best we have to correlate that one, we have to think. Our society as a whole understands the importance of education. As you move along the path, your degree, you will discover many reasons why education is important. Your education journey will show you a wealth of benefits to be gained by not only pursuing an education, but also making it your life's work to educate the generations to come. I think you will all move in that direction. Now I am going to start a blood donation camp. The Vice Chancellor and Registrar told me that you are giving blood today. I am happy that all of you are participating in that in the blood donation program. The Red Ribbon Association as a part of the NSS wants this event to be an inspiration for all. I congratulate the NSS unit of MBB University, which is organizing a voluntary blood donation. Camp is a collaboration with the Red Ribbon Club today at Academic Block. Donating blood is healthy as it allows your blood to renew the blood within a few weeks. It also helps in clearing the iron deposits in the body, which reduces the risk of heart ailments. It also helps you to improve your quality of life. These are some of the benefits of donating blood. I gave blood number of times. Today also, while coming, I informed my doctor, can I also do the blood donation? Immediately he accepted, but later he came and told that, sir, there is a Supreme Court judgment, more than 65 years people they can't do. But otherwise, I am happy to give blood donation even now.
Later, at the end of the program, Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu and other guests present in the camp visited around the blood donation camp. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.